How to delete multiple posts on Facebook at once. If you want to clean up your Facebook timeline quickly, you don't have to delete posts one by one. You can delete multiple posts at once using the Facebook mobile app. To get started, open the app and go to your profile. Tap the three dots next to the Edit Profile button, then choose Activity Log. From there, tap on Manage Your Posts. This will show a list of everything you have posted, including text updates, photos, and videos. To delete multiple posts, simply tap the checkboxes next to each one you want to remove. Once you've selected them, tap Trash at the bottom of the screen. This will move the posts to your trash folder where they will stay for 30 days before being permanently deleted, unless you choose to delete them manually right away. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.